So we're out for another cycle. Welcome along. We're heading through Dunkrew Industrial Estate, heading to Dundonald, which is about 10 miles away. So I'll take you through some of the landmark features through Belfast as we go along. I'm out today with, and he's on his new caliber bus nut 2025. So we're now just heading into Sailortown, American Bar. My new bell. So this is the Sam Thompson Bridge. It's taken us over from the Harbour Estate into Victoria Park. So we are now more or less officially in East Belfast. We're going to go right. That's Glentoran's ground, the oval. So we are going into C.S. Lewis Square. after the author of The Lion, the Witch and the Wardrobe. And there is the man opening the wardrobe. So we've passed the Newtownabbey Road and we're now on the walkway heading through East Belfast up towards Dundonald. So these are the old railway platforms along the Comber Greenway. Used to be a railway line running right down here, the Comber. Did you own? So we have Stormont down there, and then we're nearly at our destination. So we've just arrived at our destination. Granddad's shed. A nice Guinness. Split the G. See you on the next one. Bye. So we're now on the return leg back from Dundonald, heading out towards Newtownabbey. Take about an hour. Again, there's the platforms whenever the trains went to Comber. This is us going underneath the Sydenham bypass, which is closed at the minute for city-bound traffic, creating traffic chaos. And this is us back into Victoria Park again, heading towards the Harbour Estate. So we've got Shorts Brothers on the right, where they build the planes. That's the shipyard. That's over towards the Oval again, where Glentoran play. Shorts all getting out, I think. Okay, so we're going in to see HMS Caroline, which was a frigate during the Battle of Jutland. It's the only remaining ship, I think, from that battle. It's quite a popular tourist destination. See the guns still. And I always like taking this photograph at the very front. And then over here we have the Titanic distillery. And then we're going to make our way back down towards the Titanic building itself. You can just see it over at the corner. There's the film studios again. So these are the two cranes in the shipyard called Samson and Goliath. Don't know which one's which, but they're quite a famous landmark in Belfast. Ooh. So we have Titanic Studios, where Dungeons and Dragons was made. So this is us heading up to the Titanic Exhibition Museum. It's quite a good day out. They're building new apartments over on the right hand side, and then on the left hand side is the Titanic Hotel, which is part of the old kind of buildings, the drawing rooms, etc., which is now turned into a hotel. Got the Nomadic, which was a small ship which used to take passengers out to the Titanic. That's the M3 bridge heading from North Belfast into East Belfast, and that's the Odyssey building on the left with the cinema, and we'll be going down this side of the river. There's the Albert clock in the distance. heading in towards Belfast city centre. Through. So this is the King's Gardens that I was talking about. Officially opened 24th of May 2023. And it actually lights up at night time. So this is Newtownabbey train station. It's 4:10 to Belfast. Well folks, that's the end of today's video. Hope you enjoyed this one around Belfast and Dundonald. So I hope to see you on the next one, and if you haven't already, if you would give me a like and a sub, it would be very much appreciated, and we can do some more journeys together. So all the best and see you on the next one.